Hi, I'm Ron Whittington with the Florida RV Trade Association Northeast Florida chapter. I'm here today with Travis Milligan.
How you doing, Ron?
Nice to see you.
Good to see
with
you.
Cannons of Jacks. So tell us a little bit about Cannons of Jacks. What do you guys do?
So we specialize in towing products, really setting up the RV industry for helping out with trailer hitches, fifth wheels, setting your vehicle up to tow behind a motorhome, flat tow. So that's what we do. We've been around since 1969, family owned and operated, just a family business, but we just really support the RV industry and just anything that's going to get you out recreational towing and just having a good time.
Okay, so with the folks in the RV owners, what are they bringing in? What's the normal things you're doing for them?
So the normal things, we set up a lot of flat tows behind motorhomes. So if you're going to pull your vehicle behind the motorhome, we do a lot of that. We do fifth wheels, do a tremendous amount of fifth wheels, just multiple different brands, set the vehicles up. And then we do, for the smaller customers pulling like a small travel trailer, we'll set them up with a trailer hitch. We'll set them up with their brake controller in their vehicle so that they're ready to tow and they're safe on the road.
Tell me, since you've been working in this arena for a lot of years, what about the demographics of people that you're seeing now? I mean, at one time, it seemed like most of the people that were RV owners were retired, they're older. I mean, are you seeing a change?
Absolutely. I mean, seeing all walks of life. So, I mean, you got folks that are that are actually working from home, and they just completely up and sell their house, and they're just going to travel around the country, and and so we set them up so they can go do that. So it's just, and then of course you have your retired folks as well, but just a wide array of demographic.
And last thing, can you, when folks come in, if they're not sure what type of hitch based on the vehicle, can you take a look at their vehicle and say, hey, your vehicle will carry this size trailer?
Yeah, that's one of our number one focuses here, is just to make sure that they're safe on the road. So we're going to make sure that whatever they have set up is proper for what they're doing. We want to make sure that they're not overloaded. Obviously they're doing this for recreational purpose. We want to make sure that they're out there and they're being safe.
For more information, check out cannonsofjacks.com. That's cannons with an S of jacks.com.